I want to make a meat-free burger that even Chris will love, and I'm going to take it to another level with a sweet, sticky chilli sauce. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I really need to get more meat-free meals into the family, especially Chris. And since he's the king of the beef burger, it takes a lot to impress him in the burger arena. But I really think this halloumi burger is up to the challenge. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by making the sauce. Place 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1½ tablespoons of soft brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha hot sauce into your smallest saucepan. Stir it all together, bring to the boil and let it bubble away for a minute until the sauce is reduced down to a runny syrup. So once you've got this consistency, then take the pan off the heat. That sauce will thicken further as it cools. It's going to be so delicious with that fried halloumi. Next up, we're going to fry up some mushrooms as an extra topping for the burger. If you've seen some of our other videos, you'll know that Chris absolutely hates mushrooms, and there's no disguising these. So these mushrooms are just for my burger. You can decide whether you want to include them or leave them out, totally up to you. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil to the frying pan. Add a few sliced chestnut mushrooms to the pan, along with a good pinch of salt and pepper. And fry them for a few minutes until lovely and brown. Then place the mushrooms in a bowl for assembling the burger later. Now for the halloumi. If you've not tried halloumi, or squeaky cheese as my kids call it, then if you treat it right, it can be the real star at the centre of a beautiful meal. You'll need about 150 grams, which is about 5 ounces of thickly sliced halloumi. We want that halloumi to go a lovely golden brown and to have a slight crunchy texture, so we're going to coat it in some seasoned semolina. I've got a shallow bowl here with around 3 tablespoons of semolina seasoned with a good pinch of salt and pepper. And in the second bowl I've got a beaten egg. And then we're going to coat the halloumi first in the egg and then in the semolina. Place them on a board or a plate ready for frying. Oh, I'm so excited about this. That semolina is going to give that halloumi a lovely crispy coating that's going to be perfect. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to the frying pan. Place the coated halloumi in the pan and fry on a medium to high heat for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Now for the really exciting bit. We're going to assemble the burger, starting with a toasted brioche bun. Add some sliced lettuce. You could swap this out for spinach or even rocket if you wanted a more peppery taste. Top with the mushrooms and a couple of those crispy fried halloumi slices. We're going to add some sliced red onion on top and then a good drizzle of that sticky sauce. Just look how lovely and thick and sticky that's become now that it's cooled a little bit more. Just look at that and tell me it's not going to be amazing, even for my carnivore of a husband. You can serve this with some homemade fries, or you could even go the extra mile and make some homemade brioche buns. Trust me, you won't regret it if you do.
Okay, you win.
Yay!